All right, guys, let's talk about what is going on. Crypto market is turning back positive. We've got a nice bounce back happening right this second from where we at earlier today. The overall market is turning back up 3.7%, about $100 billion added back into the market capitalization, but it looks pretty good. Bitcoin up 2.5%, Ethereum up over 4%, XRP up 6+%. And on the 24-hour, we got Filecoin up 90+%. FET up 69, and a couple others, including Zcash, continuing to run hard. All good things. So what's transpiring here? Why are we seeing the market move up? Okay, let's just talk about it. We are in an extremely volatile market right now. In fact, earlier this morning, I did a video talking about market manipulation. Okay, because I quite firmly believe that we are seeing market manipulation happening at all levels on all coins right here, right now. Let's face it, at a $3.5 trillion market cap, crypto is still small enough to be manipulated. There's not a tremendous amount of liquidity in the market. Yes, I know there's liquidity in the market, but there's not enough so that manipulation cannot happen, if you will. Said a different way, the powers that be that want to manipulate, it doesn't take a bunch to move the proverbial needle and move a crypto in a certain direction right here, right now. Okay, and that's just simply kind of the reality of where we're at. So I'm telling you this only in the context that, hey, look, yes, I know we've turned positive right now. We've got a nice little bounce back up. My hope is that we continue to rise. I don't know if we've seen the bottom yet. I think that we could still see Bitcoin below 100,000, maybe going to 98, 94,000. I am not spreading FUD. I'm just simply shooting straight with you and telling you that I think we've still got some shakeout happening here. I still think we've got some the powers that be want to shake even more people out is really what I'm trying to say. Okay. And again, I think that it's all a shakeout, and then we hit a bottom and then we bounce back. And I think we're taking off, because remember, those organizations, those companies that have the power, the ability to move the markets, they ultimately want to have their cost basis lower. And then they want to see it all go up because they want to make a bunch of profits as well. Okay. So just remember that. Okay. Just remember that we are in a pretty turbulent time right now. Fear and greed almost back into that red scenario. And just, again, we know that that's going to happen, and it's going to play out. So just wanted to make a real quick video, kind of let you guys know kind of what I'm seeing here, what we're seeing as far as kind of market scenario playing out. We still got manipulation going on. We still got, I think, some more room to go on a shakeout where I think there's just going to be some more downside here. Bottom line, I would love to be wrong, but I've talked to 2 or 3 or 4 people now that are, quite frankly, smarter than me, and I'm going to call that like it is, that all kind of are of the same consensus that I don't think we've seen the worst yet, and then we turn the proverbial corner. Okay, so just letting you guys know that. So, hey, if you want help making even more money with crypto, I've got a piece of software. It's called X1 Algo. It costs a little bit over $1 a day. This is it working in action right here. See, this is Zcash. This is a buy alert issued 78 days ago. Look at that. Okay. And look at Zcash has gone up 1,831%. $1,000 bought right back here would now have be in profit over $18,000 in profit. Yeah. Okay. That's how the software works. Like, this is Dash. If you want to check this out, another optional privacy play. Buy alert here 39 days ago, up 544%. Okay. You want to see another one? This is ICP. Look, buy alert here 6 days ago, up 197%. That's how the software works. It tells you when to buy. It tells you when to sell. It gives you that early warning so that you can get in early on some of these ones that are literally about to take off. Like, this is Filecoin right here. Let me redraw that because Filecoin's gone up even more. Look, Filecoin to here is up in 1 day 157%. But look at the buy alert issued right here, okay, where my mouse is moving. So that's how the software works. It literally costs a little over $1 a day to use. Okay, so there's a link in the description below. It's called X1 Algo. It is my trading indicator. Pick either plan you want, monthly, quarterly, whatever it is. Use that discount code. There's a discount code down there by that link. Use it to get an even cheaper price than you see on the screen. Literally a little over $1 a day. There's a 30-day, no questions asked, money back guarantee. Look, try the software for 30 days. If you don't like it, get a complete refund if you are so inclined. Okay. There's a private group behind this where there's live coaching 3 times a week, where some of my coaching staff's on a call helping you guys make you even more money. Okay. So look, and I gave you 3 examples right there. Zcash, 1,800%. Dash, 544%. Filecoin, 157%. ICP, 197%. What more do you want? Okay. Are you using any type of a technology to help you make even more money in crypto? If you're not, at least try this. You have zero risk because you have a 30-day, no questions asked, money back guarantee. Links are right down there. Go get it. Links below this video if you're watching this on X as well. Later. See you. Thanks for watching.